That indescribable moment when a plane takes flight under the control of a capable pilot is why we're telling you this story. Because if we return to the beginning of this moment, you will see there's something we left out. Something within the heart of the plane that's been at the core of aviation innovation and possibility since 1929. The plane's engine. In this case, it's no surprise. A Lycoming engine. It's the element within the plane that makes flight possible. An engineering marvel representing decades of pioneering spirit dedicated to the single obsessive purpose of helping mankind slip the bonds of gravity safely and securely behind a power plant that knows no equal. As you will see, Lycoming engines are more than the heart of an aircraft. Today's Lycoming is a manufacturer of general aviation aircraft engines that embodies a pure desire to go above and beyond.